G'day Christian creators, how do we go from a thumbnail like this to this? Isn't that awesome? Well, we got to keep it simple. My name is Craig and this is Morningstar Better Thumbnails. Don't make great thumbnails, just make them better. So how do we make them better? How do we get to that awesome thumbnail at the end? We make things simple. So I tried to make the background like an office. But as you can see, the office, just even with trying to dull down the color and everything, it's just not going to make sense because it's too busy. So let's make it a wall. Let's make it a little bit closer. And I think this works so much better. But, okay, we make it a dark blue background. It still looks like images, just stuck on images, just like magazines cut out and just stuck on top. Let's do a red layer. Do a blue layer, make the red layer invisible, and then paint back the red layer as a glow. Look, and if we just make it blend a little bit with a bit of a glow, with a bit of a shadow on the YouTube logo, that just stands out and makes it look like the wall is there. That's how we make great to better. So next part is just the colors are still confusing, they're still standing out, too much. So let's make the arrows the same color as the writing. So that is the main focus. That is what we want you to see first. And that's about making things not great, but better. So that the first thing you see is what we want you to see, which in this case is the arrows. So we have that all worked out. But what's the next step? Well, at the moment, my face, I kind of look like I'm not actually in the picture. So, same as before, I do 2 layers, one layer above the other, make the above layer red, and then I just paint back the bits that I don't want red and keep the bits that are closest to the YouTube symbol, and then I have a bit of a glow. That is how we do it. That is how we make them better. Go do something awesome for God, and I'll catch you in the next one.